Hi everyone, my name is Eric. Today I'm working to add handrail to this deck. The handrail will also support the solar station. The solar station consists of 2 solar panels which are on the roof of this deck. The solar panels are connected to this solar controller. The solar controller is connected to these batteries. The batteries to this 2000 watt inverter. And the inverter is connected to the trailer, which supplies power. And also miscellaneous appliances like these battery chargers, which is very helpful when you're off grid. Now I just got to get these screwed in with the trailer being so tight. That's going to be interesting. There's just enough room. You know, I've replaced a lot of helpers with these clamps. I've marked and pre-drilled these holes. I'm pre-setting these screws. When I go to put this board in place, it'll be much easier. When I've chamfered these edges. Yeah, clamps are also really great to use because sometimes the boards might have a little bit of a twist in them, and the clamps can really take some of that out so you get a nice tight fit. Okay, so far so good. For this bottom, I used a 2x4 as a spacer. So that worked out pretty good for the height. So now, I need to figure out a way to mount this board between here and here. I'll probably need some verticals. I'm also going to put something across here to act as a ledge and a little bit of cover so that there won't be any direct moisture hitting any of this equipment. Maybe I'll do that next. For this ledge that I've just cut to fit in between these 2 posts, I want to fasten it to this back handrail. but I don't have access from in behind, so I'm going to take this apart, fasten it as one piece, and then reinstall it. Do what you got to do. So that's better. I took the time to flip this over so there's no rain on the edge of this board. I've got a little bit of board underneath that I can fasten something to, and this creates like a little shelf and a ledge for protection. Let's keep going. Okay, now I'm going to run a board from here, and one here for this and this. And then I'm going to dismount these and put them on here. We're just finishing up here. I'm putting in a few more screws to fasten this 2x6. got everything in place. The trailer's plugged in. I installed this remote. I guess this is an on and off for the inverter. I put it out here for now. Everything's running. I'm gonna put these batteries up on this ledge here. And I've got my batteries charging right now, which is good because they just ran out. We've got 3.3 solar amps. No load at the moment, but the battery voltage is 12.2. So that's pretty good for these old batteries.